Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Richu Guys. We are back here with an Huawei Y6 Prime review and a gaming test. Let's see the Wi-Fi, wireless and networks. There is a airplane mode, Wi-Fi, mobile data, tearing hotspot, Wi-Fi bridge and Bluetooth tearing and USB tearing, so that you can easily accessible to the computers for old computers like 2007 model, 2007 Windows, and device connectivity like Bluetooth speakers, AirPods, and so much of this. And printing, you can easily add the printing by Bluetooth connection of these phones. Then let's see the home screen. So normal themes and a wallpaper you can set easily, and the lock screen signatures, and the display brightness, automatic brightness. Like this we can see when we show the flashlight or the sunlight, the brightness will be automatically increased. So and there's a cold temperature, like we can add the temperatures like this: green temperature, blue, so much colors are there. For moderate we are keeping in the centers. There's an icon for in it for when using it at night, 9 o'clock light at night, in the night users, night shifters. And the text display size, you can see that the text size and extra large sizes, and more display settings, screensaver, notch, full display screen. If you have full display screen, you will see the at least at the top of the notches. Let's apply it to this mini militias and YouTube. Some of the gameplays only here online will be there, up to there only we can play. So that sounds like we can keep a ringtone, vibration on ringtone, so we can do like this. Notification badges like Easter egg, app assistance, more of the options are there. And the app permission, default permission, you should know that. And the battery of this phone is 3100 mAh. It will be in this price rate, it is pretty cool, I think so. And there's a power saving mode, ultra power saving mode. In ultra power saving mode we can play games. And the battery percentage icons do not show inside the battery. And let's go to the storage of this phone. The storage of this phone is 32 GB and RAM 2 GB RAM. And the digital balance at the screen time, this will record the screen time. We can see that PUBG Mobile 1 minute, Free Fire 2 hour and 44 minutes. Screen time management, let's on it. Just done. In the screen time we can see set your daily screen time, app limits, bedtime, and secret screen time management pin. So that, and the security and privacy, Google Pay Protect, and find my device, security update, fingerprint, face recognition, lock screen, emergency SOS, location access, app lock. Let's see this app lock. Yes, we can use the lock screen current lock screen password and the custom pin. We can lock the app easily. And this safe, yes, we can enable it safe and private memory storage. If we are keeping a password, we cannot open the photos. Smart accessible, let's go to the accessibility. The talkback, select to speak, text to speech, mono audio means if we have only one headset in two headsets having one earphone is damaged, then we can speak only in one earphone. So the color corrections of this phone, magnification means the magnifier, double click when you are clicking like this, it will be zoom. So the eyes are, we can use its magnification easily for the old peoples, for the above ages like a 60. And large mouse pointer like this, mouse pointer we are pointing like this, no, that's only large mouse pointing, switch access, talkback, and share it, download servers. Let's show the motion controls. Motion controls means if incoming calls are coming, means we are doing like this, then it will be muted like incoming calls. Then wake up screen, if we are doing like this, we are enabling means we'll directly off this. When you open it, 1 minute, it will be on easily. In the night time also we can see the face recognition and motion control, 3 finger touch. You can see this the gesture feature like 3 finger screenshots. Let's see that. When we are doing this 3 finger, sorry, the camera has been, when we are doing this, it will be screenshotted. This is only the guys the gesture features and the systems about this phone, EMI versions, RAM, and let's see the gameplay. Let's open the Wi-Fi. Let's see the PUBG test, guys. Let's open the Wi-Fi first. Yes, it's connected. Let's play the PUBG test. In this price rate, while playing the PUBG, we want to keep it in the smooth, and there should be no network lag, so that we can play PUBG very smoothly. I'm opening the brightness, guys. Yes, I didn't update the PUBG. Let's play the TDM. Let's see this gameplay, guys. There is an enemy coming.
Enemies ahead.
I killed him, guys. Still, I did not find any lag, guys. The loot, this loot is enough for me. Let's take a car and find those enemies. Let's see what is in this loot box. No lag, guys, no lag. Still don't lag. Guys, I'm backing off. There's no time enough for me. So let's play the TDM match. I'm going to die. There's no bomb in here. Guys, there's a con with me level 45. Richu Jamal. I will give you my ID in the description. Let's kill this bot with a pistol. No lag, guys. Let which percentage? Okay. I'm going to die, guys. There's not time for me. I want to put another videos in the YouTube. So
Fall back to safe zone.
guys, you're seeing now. Goodbye. Oh, there's only one more. Let's see it in the FTP. Let's do it together, guys. Yo. Guys, still no problem in this phone. We can play PUBG easily with the smooth mode. So, thank you guys. Bye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.